Guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you child safety locks on your Nissan Sentra or any car that you are using nowadays. So we know how that child safety lock works. This is like if on, whoever is inside on your back side cannot open the doors from inside. It can be opened from outside. So this is basically called child safety. So if you're traveling along with your kids, they cannot open the door from inside. So it's a safety feature. So how it works in this car, I'm going to show you. So right now the feature is turned off. So if I want to open this door, backside door, I can simply open it. Now you see here there's a lock knob. So if I turn this knob on, now if I close it, whatever I do, it cannot be opened. However, at the same time, it can be easily opened from outside, but not from inside. Now if I unlock it, it's all good. So this is a really good security feature, safety feature in other terms, and you all should take a look at it if applicable. Thank you for now, guys.